To prepare our tender questionnaire, we'll first log into the Buildspace page over here. Click at Projects. Okay, and then you can see your list of projects. So for questionnaires, you can only prepare when it is in either calling tender stage or closed tender stage. So for example, we go to a closed tender project, click at the project name here. And then to direct ourselves to the questionnaire page, we click at Tendering and Questionnaires. So you can see the list of tenders that you have invited for this current calling tender. If in the next calling tender, which is during the resubmission, you have less contracted or more contracted, then it will follow based on your resubmission, right? Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to prepare our tender questionnaire. So to prepare our tender questionnaire, we'll have to click into this questionnaire button over here. So for example, we want to prepare for contractor 8. We click at this button here, then it will direct you to the questionnaire preparation page, which is questionnaire. Okay, so to create a questionnaire, we click new questionnaire here, and then we can key in our questions. So for example, let's say I want to get them to confirm on their tender fee, so we insert here, please confirm your proposed tender fee is inclusive of all items stated, of all works stated in the scope works, right? And then type, for example, let's say your questions, you have different questions. So type here, we can also select what type it is. For example, text is only a text answer. Attachment only is only an attachment supporting document for them to upload. MultiSelect as where the tenders can actually select more than one answer. And then single select is where they can only select one answer, right? So multi-select and single select, you will have these options over here. So we can input our options, for example, yes. And then if we want to add more options, we click add options here. Then we click input the other text, which is no, for example, right? So they will only select one answer when it comes to this situations, right? So you can also select whether it's mandatory or non-mandatory, and then with or without attachments. For example, if you want them to upload any attachment, you can just tick this. Then you click save. Right, so you will see something like this, and then if you want to edit, we can click edit. If you want to delete, we click delete. If you want to go back to prepare more questions, we just click back. And you can just proceed to click new questionnaire over here, right? So that's how you prepare your questionnaire. So each individual tenders, you will have to prepare their own questions accordingly, as there is no general section. So all of your questions, there is repetitive, then similarly you will have to prepare the same way by adding new questionnaires, right? Okay, so that's how you prepare your questionnaire.